This is British Rail's APT-E. APT for Advanced Passenger Train, E for Experimental. What does it represent? How did it come into being? In the 1960s and on into the 70s, trains were winning passengers back from the internal airlines and from the motorways. They did it by improving the ride, by increasing comfort, by running, as they always have, city centre to city centre, and above all, by shortening journey times for intercity travellers. Traffic increased as passengers flocked to the new fast trains. The higher speeds, the shorter journey times were achieved by the laying of continuous welded rail, by the realignment and recanting of curves, by the development of train describers and route-setting equipment, by electrification of the West Coast main line, and by improving the suspensions of locomotives and coaches. 100 miles per hour was the limit, but even higher speeds were contemplated. By the early 1970s, a train that could reach 125 miles per hour on the straight was running experimentally. It was called HST, for high-speed train, and it was diesel-hauled. Looking to the future, ideas were growing for an even bigger jump in speed, for a train that could run at up to 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour, on existing mainline track. A train that could take curves up to 50% faster than present-day trains, a requirement that called for new studies of wheel-on-rail behavior. A train that would always give passengers a comfortable ride, especially when running through curves at high speed. A train to be safe and stable under all conditions, to conform to loading gauge and to operate within existing signalling distances. All design requirements for an advanced passenger train.